Niacin rarely works alone. Like the rest of the B vitamin team, it thrives in synergy, each member playing a unique yet interdependent role in some of the body's most essential systems. When you think of energy, red blood cells, or the nervous system humming along at full efficiency, you can bet there's a tightly choreographed dance between niacin, vitamin B3, and its B-complex companions like thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, pyridoxine, B6, and cobalamin, B12, happening behind the scenes. Think of niacin as the extroverted multitasker at a biochemical party, coordinating reactions, keeping the pace, and making sure no one molecule gets left behind. Let's start with energy metabolism, where the full B-complex truly shines. Niacin, primarily as NAD and an ADP, is deeply embedded in the metabolic breakdown of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. It fuels cellular respiration, the intricate series of steps that convert food into ADP, our energy currency. But it doesn't do this alone. B1 thiamine kicks off carbohydrate metabolism by helping convert glucose into pyruvate, the first domino in the energy cascade. Riboflavin, B2, tags in next, helping transform these substrates into FAD and FMN, which join NAD in powering the mitochondrial machinery. Without adequate levels of B1 and B2, niacin's energy production potential would be stunted, like trying to run a relay race without the baton ever being passed. Vitamin B6 adds another layer by facilitating amino acid metabolism. Since proteins can also be used as an energy source or to synthesize neurotransmitters and hormones, B6's role helps optimize how the body directs resources. In doing so, it works in tandem with niacin to ensure a smooth conversion process, preventing bottlenecks, waste, or shortages that might impair energy output or mental performance. B12, meanwhile, is the quiet powerhouse of the nervous system. It supports the integrity of nerve cells and helps form the myelin sheath, the protective covering around neurons. Niacin and B12 both support DNA synthesis and repair, and their collaboration ensures that neurons not only function properly, but stay healthy and resilient over time. They also overlap in red blood cell production. While folate and B12 are essential for forming the genetic material in new cells, niacin ensures the energy demands of this process are met, and it supports the repair systems that keep rapidly dividing cells in check. One of the best illustrations of their combined power is in nervous system maintenance. Fatigue, irritability, memory loss, or even numbness and tingling can arise when any of these B vitamins are deficient, not just because of their individual roles, but because of how tightly woven their functions are. A deficiency in one often drags the others down with it, much like removing a crucial piece from a well-oiled machine. That's why balanced B vitamin intake is so important. It's not about megadosing one superstar, but making sure the full orchestra is tuned and ready to play. Even on a microscopic level, they depend on each other. For example, tryptophan, an amino acid that can be converted into niacin, requires adequate B6 to complete the conversion. So if you're low in B6, even a protein-rich diet may not yield the niacin your body needs. This type of interplay emphasizes just how holistic the body's nutrient needs really are. Niacin may be the final product, but B6 is the backstage technician making sure the transformation actually happens. In practice, this synergy is why foods rich in B vitamins, like eggs, fish, poultry, legumes, whole grains, and leafy greens, are so effective. They don't just deliver one nutrient in isolation, but a balanced package that mirrors the body's natural design. It's also why a deficiency in one B vitamin often suggests the need to evaluate others. Fatigue, irritability, and poor stress tolerance? It might not just be a B3 issue. It could be a full-blown B-complex traffic jam. So while niacin has many standalone virtues, its real power lies in teamwork. It partners with its B family not just to spark metabolism, but to keep the brain alert, the body energized, and the blood rich with oxygen-carrying cells. In a world of single-nutrient headlines and targeted supplements, it's worth remembering that nature doesn't operate in silos, and neither do your cells. When niacin works in harmony with its B vitamin relatives, it doesn't just support health, it sustains it.